A war is raging. Not a war of tanks and missiles, but of algorithms and data. This is the era of artificial intelligence, and the battle lines are being drawn by the world's biggest tech giants. Microsoft, Amazon, Google, Meta, these titans are pouring billions into AI, transforming it from a futuristic dream into a present-day reality. But what does this mean for you? How will this AI revolution impact your life, your job, and your future? This is not just a battle for market share, it's a battle for the very fabric of our society. The outcome will determine the kind of world we live in, the jobs we hold, and the choices we make. Will AI usher in a new era of prosperity and progress, or will it lead to mass unemployment and social upheaval? The future is not predetermined, it's being shaped by the decisions made today. This is why understanding the AI war is not just an option, it's a necessity. The numbers are staggering. Tech giants are pouring an unprecedented $100 billion into the development and deployment of artificial intelligence. Microsoft, Amazon, Google, and Meta are the key players in this high-stakes game, each with its strengths, strategies, and ambitions. Microsoft, with its early bet on OpenAI, is positioning itself as a leader in generative AI and large language models. Amazon is leveraging AI to automate its logistics network and create personalized shopping experiences. Google is developing advanced AI algorithms and applications. Meta is betting heavily on AI to power its metaverse ambitions and maintain its grip on user engagement. Microsoft's $13 billion investment in OpenAI, the creator of ChatGPT, is a bold statement of intent. This strategic move has catapulted Microsoft to the forefront of the generative AI revolution. ChatGPT, with its ability to generate human-quality text, has taken the world by storm. This partnership gives Microsoft a significant advantage in several key areas, including integrating cutting-edge AI technology into their products. Microsoft is also investing heavily in its research and development, focusing on areas such as machine learning and natural language processing. Amazon, the e-commerce giant, is no stranger to disrupting industries. With its $4 billion investment in Anthropic, Amazon is signaling its intention to lead the way in responsible AI development. Amazon is leveraging AI to transform every aspect of its operations, from recommendation algorithms to its logistics network. AI-powered systems can anticipate customer needs, optimize delivery routes, and predict product demand. However, Amazon's focus on automation has raised concerns about job displacement and privacy. As Amazon continues to push the boundaries of AI, it will need to address these concerns to maintain public trust. The AI revolution is not a distant event, it's happening right now, subtly woven into the fabric of our daily lives. From the moment you wake up to the time you go to bed, AI is working behind the scenes, analyzing your data and tailoring your digital experience. It's about the subtle nudges on social media, the personalized recommendations on shopping websites, and the curated news feeds. While this can have its benefits, it also raises concerns about manipulation, bias, and the erosion of our autonomy. The future of our digital lives depends on our ability to navigate this complex landscape with awareness and discernment. TikTok, the social media phenomenon, is a prime example of AI's power to capture and manipulate our attention. Behind its engaging facade lies a sophisticated AI engine that creates a personalized feed designed to keep you hooked. TikTok's algorithm analyzes your every swipe, like, and comment to predict what will keep you scrolling. This can be harmless entertainment, but it can also have negative consequences, such as promoting addictive behavior and creating echo chambers. The more you engage with TikTok, the better the algorithm becomes at predicting what will keep you scrolling. Amazon has built its empire on the power of prediction. From personalized product recommendations to its one-click ordering system, Amazon anticipates our needs and desires. This ability is powered by AI, which analyzes vast amounts of data to create a personalized shopping experience. While this can be convenient, it also raises concerns about privacy and manipulation. Amazon's vast data collection practices have come under scrutiny, with critics arguing that the company knows too much about our personal lives. The rapid advance of AI is about a fundamental shift in the job market, one that has the potential to reshape the global economy. This isn't just about blue-collar jobs being replaced by robots, it's about white-collar jobs too. AI is making inroads into fields such as law, finance, and even medicine, threatening to displace highly skilled professionals. Jobs that involve repetitive tasks, data analysis, and decision-making are particularly vulnerable to automation. The time to start planning for this future is now, before the automation apocalypse becomes a full-blown crisis. The creative industries are not immune to the AI revolution. AI-powered tools like DALL-E 2, Mid-Journey, and Stable Diffusion can generate stunningly realistic images from simple text prompts. These tools are becoming powerful assets for professional designers, offering unprecedented speed and creative possibilities. However, some argue that AI-generated art lacks the soul and originality of human creations. The debate over the role of AI in art is just beginning, and its outcome will have profound implications for the future of creativity. The legal profession is on the cusp of a technological revolution. AI is making inroads into every aspect of the legal system, from legal research to predicting court case outcomes. AI-powered tools like Ross Intelligence and Lex Machina are transforming the way lawyers work. However, there are concerns about bias in AI algorithms and ethical questions about the use of AI in criminal justice. As AI becomes more deeply embedded in the legal system, it will be crucial to address these challenges to ensure that justice is served fairly. In the rapidly evolving landscape of artificial intelligence, one skill stands out as indispensable: prompt engineering. This is the art of communicating effectively with AI, of crafting precise instructions that elicit the desired output. A well-crafted prompt is like a magic spell, unlocking the potential of AI. This involves understanding the nuances of different AI models, and requires a blend of technical knowledge and creative problem-solving skills. Those who master the art of prompt engineering will shape the future of AI. As AI becomes more pervasive, a new breed of professionals is emerging: the prompt engineer. These individuals are the AI whisperers, unlocking the potential of machines and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Prompt engineers are in high demand across a wide range of industries. They bridge the gap between human intention and machine execution, translating complex ideas into actionable instructions. They are also master communicators, able to explain complex technical concepts to non-technical audiences and advocate for the responsible use of AI. Section 3. From side hustle to six figures, monetizing your AI skills. The rise of AI is not just creating new jobs, it's also opening up lucrative opportunities for those with the right skills to capitalize on this technological revolution. Prompt engineering in particular is emerging as a highly sought-after skill, with companies willing to pay top dollar for individuals who can craft effective prompts that unlock the full potential of AI. One of the most accessible ways to monetize your prompt engineering skills is through freelancing platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. Businesses are increasingly turning to these platforms to find skilled professionals who can help them with tasks such as generating marketing copy, creating social media content, and even writing code using AI tools like ChatGPT. With the right portfolio and marketing skills, freelance prompt engineers can command high hourly rates and build a successful business around their AI expertise. Another lucrative avenue is to specialize in a particular industry or niche. For example, a prompt engineer with a background in marketing could focus on crafting prompts that generate high-converting ad copy or social media posts. Similarly, someone with a legal background could specialize in creating prompts for legal research or contract analysis. By positioning themselves as experts in a specific field, prompt engineers can attract premium clients and command higher rates. Section 1. The dystopian potential of unchecked AI. While AI advancements offer a future of possibilities, it's crucial to acknowledge potential pitfalls. Unchecked AI could lead to a dystopian future. Imagine AI systems controlling our lives, and autonomous weapons making life or death decisions. These raise profound ethical dilemmas, potentially triggering automated warfare. Furthermore, unchecked AI could exacerbate societal inequalities. Addressing these challenges requires a proactive approach. Governments and tech leaders must establish ethical guidelines and safety mechanisms. Failure to do so could lead us down a perilous path, where technologies meant to empower us end up enslaving us. In an era defined by information overload and the constant barrage of digital content, discerning truth from falsehood has become increasingly challenging. The advent of deepfakes, a sinister application of artificial intelligence, has further muddied the waters, threatening to erode trust in institutions, sow discord among populations, and undermine the very fabric of reality. Deepfakes leverage sophisticated AI algorithms, particularly generative adversarial networks, to create incredibly realistic but entirely fabricated videos, audio recordings, and images. These manipulated media can be used to depict individuals saying or doing things they never actually said or did, making it nearly impossible for the average person to distinguish between what's real and what's fake. The implications of deepfakes are far-reaching and deeply concerning. Imagine a deepfake video of a world leader declaring war on another nation, or a fabricated video of a CEO making inflammatory remarks that tank a company's stock price. Deepfakes have the potential to manipulate elections, incite violence, damage reputations, and erode trust in traditional media sources. Combating the spread of deepfakes requires a multi-pronged approach. Tech companies are developing detection tools to identify and flag manipulated media, but these tools are often playing catch-up with the rapidly evolving techniques used to create deepfakes. Media literacy is also crucial, empowering individuals to critically evaluate the information they consume online and be wary of content that seems too outrageous to be true. The relentless march of AI has ushered in an era of unprecedented surveillance capabilities, blurring the lines between security and privacy. Governments and corporations alike are increasingly deploying AI-powered surveillance systems that can monitor, track, and analyze our movements, behaviors, and even emotions with chilling accuracy. Facial recognition technology, a prominent example of AI surveillance, is being used by law enforcement agencies worldwide, for purposes ranging from identifying suspects in criminal investigations to tracking down missing persons. While this technology can be a valuable tool for law enforcement, its widespread deployment raises concerns about potential misuse, racial bias in algorithms, and the erosion of privacy in public spaces. Beyond facial recognition, AI is being used to analyze social media posts, track online activity, and even monitor employee behavior in the workplace. These surveillance systems can collect vast amounts of data on our lives, often without our knowledge or consent. This data can be used to predict our behavior, influence our choices, and even manipulate our emotions. The increasing pervasiveness of AI surveillance raises fundamental questions about the balance between security and freedom. While these technologies can be used to enhance public safety and prevent crime, they also have the potential to erode civil liberties, stifle dissent, and create a chilling effect on free speech. As AI surveillance technologies continue to advance, it's crucial to establish clear legal frameworks, ethical guidelines, and oversight mechanisms to ensure that these powerful tools are used responsibly and do not erode the fundamental rights and freedoms that define a democratic society. The $100 billion AI war is not a distant conflict. It's a battle being waged right now, shaping the world around us at an unprecedented pace. The choices made today by tech giants, governments, and individuals will determine the trajectory of this revolution and its impact on our lives. To thrive in this rapidly changing landscape, we must abandon outdated notions of complacency and embrace a mindset of adaptability and lifelong learning. The skills that were once considered essential for success are rapidly becoming automated, replaced by intelligent systems capable of outperforming humans in tasks that were once thought to be the exclusive domain of human intelligence. To stay ahead of this curve, we must invest in developing uniquely human skills, creativity, critical thinking, emotional intelligence, and complex problem-solving that are difficult, if not impossible, to replicate in machines. This is not a time for fear or resignation. It's a time for proactive adaptation and a relentless pursuit of knowledge. The AI revolution is not a spectator sport. It's a call to action, urging us to become active participants in shaping the future we want to see. The time to act is now, before the window of opportunity closes and we find ourselves at the mercy of forces beyond our control. As we stand on the precipice of the AI era, we must acknowledge that the path ahead is shrouded in uncertainty. The future is not a fixed destination, but rather a canvas upon which our choices and actions will paint the landscape of what's to come. The $100 billion AI war is not just about technological dominance, it's about defining the values, ethics, and societal structures that will govern this new age. The decisions we make today will have far-reaching consequences, shaping the relationship between humans and machines for generations to come. Will we harness the power of AI to create a more equitable, just, and sustainable world? Or will we allow it to exacerbate existing inequalities and erode the very essence of what it means to be human? The answers to these questions lie not in the hands of a select few, but in the collective wisdom and actions of humanity as a whole. We must engage in open and honest dialogues about the ethical implications of AI, develop robust regulatory frameworks to guide its development and deployment, and foster a global culture of responsibility and collaboration. The AI era is not a time for complacency or fear, it's a time for bold vision, courageous action, and a steadfast commitment to shaping a future where technology empowers humanity rather than enslaving it. The journey ahead will be challenging, but the rewards of navigating these uncharted waters together are immeasurable. Let us embark on this journey with open minds, open hearts, and an unwavering belief in our ability to create a future worthy of our shared humanity. As we stand on the precipice of the AI era, we must acknowledge that the path ahead is shrouded in uncertainty. The future is not a fixed destination, but a canvas where our choices paint the landscape of what's to come. The AI war is not just about technological dominance, it's about defining values, ethics, and societal structures for this new age. The decisions we make today will shape the relationship between humans and machines. Will we harness AI for a just and sustainable world, or let it exacerbate inequalities and erode humanity? The answers lie in our collective wisdom and actions. We must engage in open dialogues about AI's ethical implications, develop robust regulatory frameworks, and foster a global culture of responsibility. The AI era calls for bold vision, courageous action, and a commitment to a future where technology empowers humanity. The journey ahead will be challenging, but the rewards of navigating these uncharted waters together are immeasurable. Let us embark on this journey with open minds, open hearts, and an unwavering belief in our ability to create a future worthy of our shared humanity.